Writing in Japanese requires a shift in tone when moving from conversation to formal reports or essays. To declare that someone or something did not hold a certain identity in the past, you need a structure that fits an authoritative text. The grammar for this specific task is the plain past negative marker, de wa nakatta. By attaching it to a noun, you create a stiff objective declaration, stating that was not a dog. This is the past tense counterpart to the present day de wa nai. To switch it into the past tense, the final nai conjugates into nakatta, locking the entire statement into a previous point in time. For nouns, the mechanics are straightforward. The ending attaches directly to the word it modifies, without any extra linking particles. You take the noun and place the ending immediately after it. Mastering this direct noun connection provides your baseline. Any time you need to establish clearly what a person or object was not in a written context, this is the tool you use. While nouns connect simply, describing past conditions adds a specific mechanical requirement for na-adjectives. Look at the word for famous, yumei na. Before you can connect this adjective to our negative ending, the final na must be dropped. Once it is removed, the remaining word connects to de wa nakatta just like a noun. This creates the formal declaration. Iga wa yumei nakatta. The movie was not famous. You cannot use this structure with every word class. Words like samui, which is an I adjective, or iku, a verb, are strictly forbidden from connecting to de wa nakatta. These categories have their own independent systems for past negative conjugation. Attempting to force de wa nakatta onto them results in a grammatically broken sentence. By isolating this grammar strictly to nouns and na-adjectives, you ensure the structural integrity of your Japanese writing. Beyond the mechanics, you must choose the correct social register. In Japanese, the medium of communication dictates which form is appropriate. This chart shows where the grammar sits. De wa nakatta is used for writing or emphatic declarations. In everyday spoken conversation with friends, you would use the softer, compressed version, ja nakatta. If you are speaking to a superior or in a formal meeting, you move to the top level. In these cases, use the fully polite de wa aりませんでした. Our written form is plain, so using it in high politeness situations can sound blunt. Apply the rule to this sentence for a written article. The test was not easy. Keep in mind that the word for easy, kantan, is a na-adjective. You drop the na and connect the ending to get testo wa kantan de wa nakatta. Fluency comes from selecting the right tone for the right situation. This ensures you don't sound overly dramatic in a casual chat or too informal in a serious essay. This diary shows both word classes in a formal style. First, the weather noun ame connects directly to the past negative marker. Second, the na is removed from the adjective shizuka na, locking into the same de wa nakatta ending. Review these three core rules. First, attach the ending to nouns or na-adjectives after dropping the na. Second, use it to state a plain past negative fact. Third, reserve this stiff tone for your writing and formal narratives. You are now prepared to make clear, structurally accurate past negative declarations in your formal Japanese writing.